Hello everyone, and welcome to another day of Pokemon card openings. Now, of course, I already opened the box, but as you guys can tell by the title of this video, we get the third box, and it's the yellow one. Pokemon World Championships 2023. The yellow box. We have red and green, now we have yellow. Let's see what's inside. Okay. We of course have them two promo cards, which is an EX God of War and the first two cards we have are just normal God of Wars. We have Corella, another Corella, Boss's Orders, Manaphy, I know, we have a Mew. This is the very first Mew ever. Love the artwork, super cute. Waltz, another Waltz, that's another Waltz, Waltz, another Corella, I know, Boss's Orders, Professor's Research, another Professor's Research, a Zacian V, aka Sword Pokemon, looking super cool. Luminum V, very nice. Cosella, Radiant Greninja, Artisan, Lava Ball with a cool looking signature. I can't read that, but Lava Ball, that a VIP pass. Collapse Stadium, Rare Candy, Reversal Energy, with all, looks to be all the colors of the Pokemon types inside. Very nice. Super Wad, Fog Crystal, looking very nice with those pockets inside, and another signature on the bottom. Ultra Ball, Lost Vacuum, power pad. Forward seal stone. Energy, 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 energy. And a whole bunch of normal energy cards. And that is it for today. A lot of duplicates, but if I counted correctly, that was 9 good pulls. That being the Sword Pokemon, Radiant Greninja, the Mew, Garcella, Luminum V, and the 4 God of War, or the 2 normal God of Wars and the God of War, and the 2 God of War EX. Anyways, I think that was actually our first Mew, which I am happy about, because Mew is stupid cute, like adorable. Love me a Mew. So let's see. To me, these right here are all good pulls, especially the Mew and all these God of Wars. Comment down below which one of these pulls is your favorite. Mine has to be the God of Wars and the Mew, and of course the third Pokemon. Mostly the Mew. Look how cute he is. He's adorable. Anyways, that is it for today's video. I don't know when the next time I will be getting more Pokemon cards or ideas for a video, hence me not having a schedule of when I post. But I would try to have a new video idea very soon. And I might record a video of me I already have them drawn out, but I might record me coloring in on my OCs and introducing you to all of them. I have like 54 of them. So if you guys want to see that video, let me know in the comments. And I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.